Hi, good morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Rains with Sort 37. I see a lot of you are already online looking at this, so great job this morning. Thank you for your patience with this video and waiting for it. But let's go ahead and take a look. We have the same categories as last week. We have magna, which means great, min, which means small, poly, which means many, equa, which means equal, omni, which means all. And we have magnification, minimum, mince, diminish, Polytechnic, Polyglot, Equilateral, Equitable, Equation, Equator, Equivalent, and Omniscient for the words this week. There's only 12, so I do expect you to know how to spell them and the definitions for them. All right, so the first word, magnification, means the action to make something appear greater in size. The crystals look different under the higher magnification in the microscope. Minimum, the least or smallest amount required. The students had to read a minimum of 3 books per semester. Mince, to cut up into very small pieces. The chef used a knife to finely mince the garlic. Diminish, to make or become less. The natural light from the windows began to diminish as the sun was going down. Polytechnic, a college or university that specializes in science and technology. She began her career as a graphic designer at a Polytechnic school. Polyglot, a person who is able to speak several different languages. My brother was hired as a translator for the United Nations because he is a polyglot. Equilateral, equilateral, having all the sides the same length. The teacher used a protractor to construct an equilateral triangle. Equation, when two math expressions are equal in value. The boy was solving a quadratic equation. Equitable, to show fairness. The kids' baseball team was looking for equitable umpires. Equator, an imaginary line on Earth separating the northern and southern hemispheres. The sun heats the sea more at the equator than the poles. So it's that red line right there in the middle is the equator across the globe, and it is the hottest spot on the Earth. Equivalent, being equal in amount or meaning. Did you know that 8 ounces is equivalent to 1 cup? Omniscient, all-knowing, all-wise, all-seeing. Some stories are told by an omniscient narrator from start to finish. All right, so that's the words their way words for this week. This is the journal work that you guys have to have completed by tomorrow. I know you guys have been working on that already, so you do have time today in class. Hopefully you get that done. And if you have extra time, you can also use the whiteboards to practice the spelling and the definitions. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye.